Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 7 and let me show you how to activate reading mode on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select display, which is the first step under personal, and then go to reading mode. And now smoothly by tapping on this switcher you can activate reading mode, and as you can see this mode will make the colors of display warmer, allowing your eyes to relax. So also here you can adjust it to your needs and preferences. You can pick some warmer or cooler colors. Then you can switch off reading mode the same way, smoothly, by tapping on the switcher. If you would like to schedule your reading mode, just click here to schedule it. And now you can pick either good night's read or custom period, so just switch between those modes, it's up to you. I will pick the custom period and then select the hours, so turn on at 10 p.m. and it can be on till 7 a.m. next day. So from now on, every day between 10 and 7, reading mode will be applied to your device. And that will be all. This is how you can activate, deactivate and personalize reading mode in your Xiaomi Redmi 7. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.